These are the problems we have to fix in space. You're up there alone. Nothing but your wits.
There's another one. There's a freeloader. He's coming too.
Stowaway.
Wait, let him in.
Come on, you got another guy.
Come on, get in!
The more the merrier in space. It's a long, lonely journey.
I don't know. Okay, Owen. This is a journey. Take off.
Yes, it is.
5. We have to go 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! We're on the moon. Get out. Come on, spaceman. How is it? Is it nice on the moon? Should we get out with you?
We made of green cheese.
Really nice. No scary creatures. Whoa! Is this the moon? Yeah. It looks just like home. Okay, are we gonna walk around on the moon?
Moon stepping.
Why do you walk like you're on the moon?
Owen, do you know about moon stepping? You need to learn about moon stepping.
Alright, we have to go back to Earth now. Get back in. Get in. Alright, passenger. I'm the passenger. Why? No, Everett's the passenger.
You're the pilot,
Space
yeah?
captain. Okay, we are launching and going back to Earth in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Yeah! We're back on Earth! Get out! Home sweet home! Woohoo!
Astronauts.
We walked on the moon! Oh, me and our passengers stuck in the ship. Come on, get out.
He knows what to do.
Get
Alright,
out.
take a bow, astronauts.
Alright. Take a bow. Ready? Take a bow.
Yay! Astronaut
I got
Owen. Thank you, co-pilot Audrey.
There you go.
And cut.